In the last videos, we have already discussed about Halsey plan, Rowan plan, and Emerson efficiency plan. Now, today in this video, we will discuss about Bedaux plan. Bedaux plan was introduced by Charles E. Bedaux in 1911. This plan is an incentive scheme in which the standard time for the completion of the job is fixed and the rate per hour is defined. Each minute of the standard time is called as a point or B. Such in 1 hour there are 60 Bs. If the worker completes the job in more than the standard hour, then he is paid according to the time rate, that is time taken is multiplied by the hourly rate. In case the worker is completed in hours less than the standard time, then the worker is entitled to the bonus in addition to the hourly rate. A bonus is equal to 75% of the earned or saved points multiplied by 1/6 of the hourly rate. Even if the worker does not reach the standard, then he is paid according to the time rate. Under this system, the standard time set is divided into number of points at the rate of 1 minute per point. Now, this is something which is very important for us to remember, that the rate of 1 minute is calculated as per 1 point. So, the bonus is calculated at 75% of the points earned in excess of 60 per hour. So, if the worker does not reach the standard, he is paid at his time rate. This is something again which we have to note, that the worker does not reach his standard, he will be paid at the normal time rate. The system is really more than the incentive system, since it enables the management to record the output of any worker of the department. Now, let us understand what this B means. Bedaux point plan. It is called units or point system. It guarantees a minimum base wage. Under this plan, there is a standard time, and time taken for each job is reduced to minutes. Now, these minutes are basically, each minute is referred to as B. That is why this is Bedaux point plan. And 1 hour has, that means 60 Bs, because 60 minutes is equal to 60 Bs. The worker who complete the job within the standard time are paid at a normal time rate. Those who complete the job in less than are also paid bonus. Those who complete the job in less time are paid bonus, and the bonus paid to the worker is 75% of the time that he saves. This is something which again we have to note down, that the bonus paid to the worker is 75% of the time saved. The time saved is divided between worker and the management. Like if the time saved, whatever, like for 2 hours he has saved, he will be paid 75% of the bonus, then obviously the management is going to take 25%. There's a simple formula that you have to remember for calculating the wage under Bedaux plan, that is W is equal to, that is W means total wage, is equal to TR, T is time taken, R is rate, plus 75% of S minus T, that is standard time minus time taken, into R rate. So this is a very simple formula that you have to remember. Total wage is W, S is equal to standard time, T is equal to time taken, and R is equal to rate. So we can apply this formula for calculating our total wages in under the Bedaux system, under the Bedaux plan or incentive plan. For example, if the standard time, that means S is equal to 6 hours, so 6 hours means 360 Bs, because there are 360 minutes in it, and wage rate is rupees 3 per hour. So if a worker complete his jobs in 5 hours, okay, so worker is completing his job, that is time taken is equal to 300 Bs. So he saves how much time? 60 Bs. So according to this system, we will be giving 60 Bs bonus. So 60 Bs bonus would be 75%. So his total wage, we have to apply the same formula. W is equal to TR into TR plus 75% of S minus T into R. So W is equal to 5 hours. 5 is the time taken into 3 is the rate plus 75% of 6 minus 5, that is 6 is the standard time and T is the time taken into rate is 3, that is 3. So that will come up to rupees 17.25. So this is the total wage that he will get according to Bedaux plan as a total wage, that is incentives plus the time that he has saved. Let us take another example. Suppose the standard time is 20 hours. So 20 hours means 1200 Bs. Okay. So this 1200 Bs, how did we get 1200 Bs? 20 into 60. Time taken is equal to 16 hours. So time taken means T is equal to 16 hours. So 16 hours, 16 into 60 would be 960 Bs. So how much time did the worker save? 1200 minus 960. So that is 240 Bs. Or time saved can be also, we can calculate as 4 hours, 4 into 60, that is 240 Bs. Suppose time wage rate is rupees 2 per hour. That means it is per hour, it is 2, that means we have to convert it into per minute. So per minute would be 0.03, 2 by 60. Why? Because here also we are calculating in Bs, so here also we are going to convert it into per minute. So bonus is equal to saved time into R into 75% of the value saved. So 75% of what value did we save here? 240 Bs is into the rate. Rate is 0.03. So 0.03 would be 5.4. So this is the bonus that this particular worker will be getting because he has saved 240 Bs and 75% of 240 Bs into the rate per minute is 0.03. So that would be 5.4. So his total wage would be what? His total wage is going to be the normal rate that he is going to get, that is 16 hours he has worked into 2 per hour he is getting. So 16 into 2 plus the bonus 5.4. So that would be 37.4. So this is how we calculate bonus and total wage under Bedaux plan. So there are two more examples. We can calculate this also. The standard time is 360 Bs. Okay, so 6 hours 60 minutes and actual time is 300 Bs, that is 5 hours 60 minutes into 60 minutes, and wage rate is equal to rupees 10 per hour. So how we can calculate this? You may calculate it. Let us see what are your answers. So the answer for the previous question that we have just discussed is 360 Bs is equal to 6 hours into 60 minutes and 300 Bs is 5 hours into 60 minutes. Standard time was 360 Bs, actual time is 300 Bs, and wage rate is rupees 10 per hour. So time saved is what? 1 hour. 1 hour means he has saved 60 Bs. So value of time saved will calculate as rupees 10 divided by 60 would be 0.16. So bonus is equal to saved time into rate into 75% of time saved. We can put the same formula also and we are going to get bonus. Bonus would be 7.2 and total earnings would be, since total earning is rupees 10 per hour, he has worked for 5 hours, so 5 into 10 would be 50 plus the bonus that we have calculated 7.2, it would be 57.2. Suppose the standard time for the job is fixed and each minute of the standard time is called the point or B. Each job has a standard number of Bs. The worker receives the bonus of 75%. So this is another illustration that we can do, and it would be more easier for everyone to understand because this is the fourth illustration, and this here he is getting 60 per hour, and so standard time is equal to 10 hours and rate per hour is equal to rupees 1, and time taken is equal to 8 hours, so earning would be 8 into 1 normal rate, that is 8 rupees. Let us calculate the bonus would be 10 into 60, that is 600 Bs, and actual Bs would be 480 Bs. So what is the time he has saved? 120 Bs. So we can apply the same formula. So we will get the bonus as 1 rupees 50 paisa, and the normal rate is 8 rupees that he is going to get, plus 1 rupees 50 paisa bonus, so that would be 9.50. Now, there are few advantages and disadvantages of Bedaux plan. Minimum wage are guaranteed is one of the advantage. Management also shares some percentage of bonus, which is an advantage for the management. Disadvantage is that incentives after attaining standard is very low, because of which workers can be demotivated and they do not like their bonus to be shared by the management. So this is a disadvantage for the worker. Thank you.